Our vision is that every child has the right to grow up in a safe and secure environment. You can see Wesco products in nurseries, in daycare centers, also in kindergartens, primary schools. We also work with the B2C, like families or parents.
Well, what makes us unique is definitely the product innovation and, I would say, the customer service. Well, the customer expectations have changed.
So each time a customer meets Wesco, we want really to exceed their expectations.
In Wesco, we say, nous avons l'habitude de dire que le client est le roi.
It's very crucial for us to have a central source of information.
It's because we have a lot of customers.
14,000 products, it's all types of products, all types of seasonality.
And we have quite a lot of different currencies, different languages.
And whether the order has been processed on the website or on the phone, we need to have the same and accurate information.
Each country we have an agent. They all have QAD access, and then they are able to provide customer service. As soon as a customer calls the agent is able to give all kind of information about the orders, about the stock we have.
Where is the order? Who is the customer? When the items arrive?
Whether it's on the way, in a truck, and this information today is available in QAD.
We are Wesco.
And with QAD,
we are building the effective enterprise.